Welcome to Arya Master Class. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating process of how a nuclear reactor makes electricity. At its heart, a nuclear power plant is fundamentally an incredibly complex and powerful way to boil water. But what makes it so special is how it generates that heat through nuclear fission. Our journey begins with the fuel, typically uranium-235. This specific isotope is fissile, meaning its nucleus can be split. Inside the reactor core, uranium is processed into small pellets, which are then carefully stacked into long tubes called fuel rods. These rods are bundled together to form fuel assemblies. Here's the core principle: a neutron strikes a uranium-235 atom, causing its nucleus to split. This event, called fission, releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of heat, and crucially, it also releases more neutrons. These newly released neutrons can then strike other uranium atoms, initiating a self-sustaining chain reaction. To manage this powerful reaction, the reactor core contains a moderator, usually water, which slows down the fast-moving neutrons, making them more likely to cause further fission. Also vital are control rods, made of neutron-absorbing materials like cadmium or boron. These rods are inserted or withdrawn from the core to regulate the rate of the chain reaction, preventing it from overheating and ensuring a steady power output. They act like the reactor's throttle. The intense heat generated by fission warms the water in the primary coolant loop. This water is kept under very high pressure to prevent it from boiling, even at temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius. This superheated, pressurized water then flows through a steam generator. Here, it transfers its heat to a separate, secondary coolant loop, which contains unpressurized water. The heat exchange causes the water in the secondary loop to boil and flash into high-pressure steam. The high-pressure steam is then directed with immense force to spin a massive turbine. This is where the thermal energy of the steam is converted into mechanical, rotational energy. Connected directly to the turbine is an electrical generator. As the turbine spins the generator, it causes coils of wire to move within a powerful magnetic field. This motion induces an electric current, producing the electricity that powers our homes and industries. After passing through the turbine, the now lower pressure steam enters a condenser. Here, it's cooled by water from a third loop, often sourced from a large body of water or recirculated via cooling towers, causing it to condense back into liquid water. This water is then pumped back to the steam generator to be reheated, completing the closed secondary loop and making the process highly efficient. So, in summary, a nuclear reactor harnesses the immense energy released from splitting atoms to safely boil water, create high-pressure steam, spin a turbine, and ultimately generate vast amounts of electricity. It's an intricate dance of physics and engineering, transforming atomic energy into usable power. Join us next time for another Arya Masterclass.